Good morning, students. So today we will discuss about the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Now, as we have studied earlier about order of reaction, zero order reaction is that reaction in which the sum of powers of concentration terms in rate law expression is zero. Suppose we have a general reaction, reactant A is converted into products. If this reaction is a zero order reaction, then its rate law expression will be rate equals to K concentration of A power 0, or we can say rate equals to K. Also we can write the equation in differential form. If we write the equation in differential form, then rate will be equal to, it is equal to minus dA upon dt, where this square brackets indicate the concentration of the reactant. Now from 1 and 2, since both are the rate of the reactions, they are equal, so we can say that dA upon dt minus it will be equal to K, or we can write dA is equal to minus K dt. On integrating both sides, we get this integration of dA will be equal to minus K is constant, integration of dt, or it will be equal to integration of dA, it will be equal to concentration of A, and here dt it will be equal to T plus constant of integration I. If we consider the initial conditions when time was 0, at time t equal to 0, the concentration was A naught. Here A naught is the initial concentration. A naught is initial concentration. So if we consider these conditions, what we will have? Substituting in equation 3, this was equation 3, in equation 3 we get this concentration was A naught, it is equal to minus K into 0, time was 0, plus I. So we get this constant of integration I is equal to A naught. If we substitute this value of I in equation 1, equation 3, in equation 3, what we will get? We will get concentration of A, it is equal to minus Kt plus concentration of A naught. Now if we observe this equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So if we plot a graph between the concentration of reactant and time, then this graph will be a straight line. Here we see that slope is negative. Slope is negative, so the graph will be somewhat like this. This is intercept and this point is initial concentration of the reactant from where the reaction start, A naught, and slope of this graph is equal to minus k. So this equation is in straight line equation. We can write this equation in another form. Here we see that kt it is equal to A naught minus A, or we can write k will be equal to A naught minus A upon T. So this is the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction, and there are many examples of zero order reactions we have studied earlier also. So some of the zero order reaction I will write here. First is N2O decomposes in the presence of platinum to give N2 plus half O2. Both are in gaseous phase. This is zero order reaction. The rate is equal to K concentration of N2O power 0. Similarly, the decomposition of ammonia to NH3 gas in the presence of molybdenum, it gives N2 gas and 3H2 gas. This is also a zero order reaction. Similarly, photochemical reaction like H2 plus Cl2 gas, it gives twice HCl gas. It is also a zero order reaction. So as we have derived in the first order the integrated rate equation in first order, in the same way we have to derive the integrated rate equation for zero order reactions. It is quite simple, and if you are given some numericals, these numericals can be based on calculation of either K, T, initial concentration or final concentration. Out of these four terms, any three will be given and you have to calculate the fourth one. So I hope this is a simple topic and you can derive this integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Thank you.